In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a Word document that's stuck in read-only mode so you can get back to editing with ease and save your progress without any hassle. Let's dive right in and make those adjustments. First, let's locate the Word document that you've been wanting to edit. You'll want to open up File Explorer on your computer. To do this, simply click on the folder icon, usually found on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen, or you can type File Explorer in the search bar if you're having trouble finding it. Navigate through your folders until you spot the Word document. Remember, it should be in either the .docx or .doc format, depending on the version of Microsoft Word you're using. Once you've found it, we're ready for the next phase. Go ahead and right-click on the file. This will open up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you need to select Properties. It's generally located towards the bottom of the list, so simply scroll down if you don't see it immediately. By selecting Properties, a new window will pop up that contains a wealth of information about your document. But don't worry, we only need to focus on one simple section for our purpose today. In the Properties window, you'll observe a series of tabs across the top. Make sure you're under the General tab. This tab provides a summary of your file's details, including its type and size, but what we're after is at the bottom. You should see a box labeled Read Only. If you notice a little check mark in that box, that's what has been preventing you from making any edits to your document. All we need to do here is to click on that box to remove the check mark, effectively changing the status of your file and allowing it to be edited. Once you've unchecked Read Only, look towards the bottom right corner of this window, where you'll find the Apply button. Click Apply. This immediately updates the settings. Now, don't click away just yet. Before you close out of this window completely, be sure to hit OK. This confirms all the adjustments you've made and takes you back to File Explorer. With those steps complete, it's time to open your Word document. Simply double-click on the file, and it should now launch in Microsoft Word. You should find yourself with the freedom to edit and save the document just like any other file. All those previously grayed-out options should now be accessible, allowing you to continue your work smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. A very straightforward way to unlock a Word document and make it fully editable. I hope you found these instructions clear and valuable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.